1966 Powermatic 66, the first year of the new model. This is a full restoration. I purchased this from an older gentleman who had used it periodically as a hobbyist. Never had seen heavy use, but had sat a lot through the years, collected rust, especially as he got older. But tore it all down. Everything was in good condition. Tore it all down, lubricated, removed rust, added new faces to the fence, cleaned this up and repainted it since it was in the status of disrepair. It goes all the way to 39.5 inches. Added a new cursor here as well. The knobs and handles were missing, so to this hand wheel I purchased some items to thread and tap to put in there. Everything else here is good. Square D starter and switch. And a good old Century 2 horsepower motor made in St. Louis. We'll fire it up here and so there she is, full restore, 1966, good as new.